Hey guys, K-Math. We're going to be talking about trigonometric applications with word problems. So we have this problem. Matt travels to Cornell University. He's standing at the top of Hendricks Hall building, like the Smith Engineering building. It is 840 feet between buildings. Matt finds the angle of elevation to the top of the Smith Engineering building to be 30 degrees and the angle of depression to the ground to be 29 degrees. How tall is the Smith Engineering building? Measured to the nearest hundredth. So using the key information that I already underlined here, we're going to be drawing this out. So he's standing at the top of Hendricks Hall. So let's draw this building out. Standing right there. That's him. Just building on the edge. And then he's looking at Smith Engineering building. So let's also draw that out. So the reason I'm portraying that it's higher here is because it also says that when he looks at the top, there's an angle elevation of 13. So that kind of states that the other building is taller than this current one. So now we're going to there. It's going to be 840 feet between buildings, as it says right here. So let's write that down. 840. And then the angle of elevation to the top of the building is going to be 13 degrees. Okay, 13 degrees. It's a little off here, but it's fine. And then he also looks down for the angle of depression to the ground level to be 29 degrees. So we're drawing that as well. It's going to be 29. Angle of depression is the amount you tilt up, angle of depression is the amount you tilt down, just so you know. Now, we're going to try to solve this problem. What is it asking for? How tall is the engineering building? So that's what we're looking for. And to do that, there's no other way to do this, if you think about it, other than using trigonometry applications. So, we have this angle on one side. We know it's a right triangle because it's a 90-degree angle. Because this is a straight line that's perpendicular to the line because it says it's 840 feet apart between buildings. So knowing that, when these are both right triangles, we can apply these trigonometry applications. So towards 13, the opposite side would be this one, and we're trying to find the opposite side, and we don't know what that is. And the adjacent side for this would be right here, and we know that. So we can plug in an equation for that. That would be tan, right? Because it's opposite over adjacent. So it'd be tan. Let's make this first part x, and this first part, and the second part y. So let's remove this. Forget that. So tan of 13, that's the angle, is equal to x over 840. Okay, let's solve that out. We're trying to get x alone so we can solve for it. So we just multiply 840 to the other side. And we get x equal to tan 13 times 840. We take that into our calculators. Tan 13 times tan 13, 840 would be 193.93. We're rounding to the nearest hundredths here. Okay, so we have x. Now we have to find y so we can add these together. Same thing here. We need to find this angle, this line, and we have this line already. So this is the opposite, this is the adjacent. We can use tan again. So tan 29 equal to y over 840. Same thing, put the 840 on the other side. It would be y equals tan 29 times 840. Same thing, solve it out. Tan 29 times 840. Put it into your calculator, and you get 265 and 62. And then to find this final length, which is what we're looking for, how tall is the Smith Engineering building, which is this one. We take these two and just simply add them together to get how tall the Smith Engineering building is. So just putting that into our calculators. 193.93 plus 465.62. It's going to be 659.55. I'm rounding here. And then put feet as that's our unit of measurement. That's going to be our final answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the video channel.